lock secure.
Lock is secure, Captain.
Begin to lift.
Load distribution stable. Ascent rate nominal.
Hold your position, starboard side. We are secure on the port pontoon. Check the pressure, keep it steady. Tighten that tensioner now. Starboard side secure. Roger that. Moving to port. Secured. Take the strain. Oh! Oh!
We are clear of the blocks. Begin traverse east.
Copy that. Traversing east.
A little higher on the right.
Once.
Reading steady now. Level confirmed.
Easy now, bring it down slow. Watch the alignment. All right, set it.
Easy, easy. Hold it there. Perfect.
Keep coming down slowly now. Watch the port side. Okay, we're clear. Set it down. All right, lads, easy now. To the left a bit.
Steady, steady.
Looks good here, Captain. Watch the mount on the starboard side.
We're clear. Lower away.
Steady, steady.
So,
We need to finalize the measurements for the clock installation.
see here, honor and glory. Right.
Aligning the left side and the right. Okay, set it down easy. Easy, easy, hold. That's flush against the hull. Hold it there.
All right, she's secure now. The N is set.
Hold it steady now. Easy on the starboard line. Lower away, slowly.
Alignment confirmed on the laser, dead center.
All right, secure the position. Start the tightening sequence on the gudgeons.
Aft, just a touch aft.
Steady, steady.
And easy down.
Watch the starboard side, easy now. Clear on deck, bring it down slowly.
Emergency stations, lower the starboard lifeboat.
Hi, Captain.
Report status of the engine room immediately.
Watch the load. Bring it down slowly. Clear the pallet on the left.
Titanic 2 to command. All systems nominal. Over.
Lifeboat 4, this is the deck. Commence lowering. Roger that. Lowering now. Clear below.
Congratulations.
Breaking news tonight, the markets reacted strongly to the announcement.
What?
As you can see, the data suggests a significant shift in the...
Welcome aboard.
Thank you, officer. We are thrilled to be here.
To the White Star Line, and a truly magnificent voyage.
Indeed, may the journey be as splendid as the company.
Passengers to the forward gangway, please.
All lines clear. We are underway.
Isn't the sea simply marvelous today? Truly breathtaking. The captain has brought us fair weather.
Ladies and gentlemen, a memorial service will be held on the aft deck at sunset.
It's truly breathtaking. We're finally here. Look at the torch, shining through the mist.
Make that last turn fast! We are sitting solid on the camels!
Good afternoon. We appreciate you joining us for this momentous occasion.
Good morning. We stand today on the precipice of history, ready to redefen ocean travel.
The project has been a success beyond our wildest imagination.
The Titanic II will undertake no further commercial voyages.
Instead, in where did you land? She will embark on an entirely new mission.
Point outfitted with state-of-the-art scientific hardware. Her grand ballrooms and dining halls repurposed into world-class research laboratories. Her staterooms will house the world's leading oceanographers and marine biologists.
Titanic II will return to the place her story began.
As a permanent, deep-sea research station, anchored for eternity above her namesake.
A bridge between the past and the future.
As you can see, the expedition to the Titanic has yielded unprecedented results. The unique corals thriving on the...
We are proud to announce the creation of the first underwater memorial and museum, preserving the legacy of the Titanic.
We are proud to announce that this year's Nobel Peace Prize is awarded to the delegation for their tireless efforts